Good morning, Las Vegas, and welcome to another edition of Your Insurance Connection. I'm your host, Donald Marquez, and we talk about insurance right here on 88.1 each and every Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. We inform you about all your insurances, your homeowner's insurance, your life insurance, your auto insurance, everything going on with the insurance industry that I can keep up with to better inform you. You pay a lot of money for car insurance, homeowners, and I just want to make sure you understand the coverages that you're paying for. So this is what my show is all about. Again, this is Donald Marquez. You tune into Your Insurance Connection. If you want to call in with any questions about your insurance, now I can't tell you how much you're going to pay for your auto insurance because I'm live right now. However, give us a call at 702-647-3688. Once again, the number is 702-647-3688. I'm also on Facebook Live. If you want to tune in on Facebook Live, check me out. Or you can go to my website, Donald Marquez, and punch me in, and you can see previous shows and get well informed about your insurance. You know, I do this show because a lot of you pay for insurance. All of us pay for insurance, but most of you don't know what you're paying for. And this is why I come on each and every Tuesday to better educate you on your auto insurance coverages, your bodily injury. You know, a lot of times too, people, you know, when you shop, we've all been programmed to shop for insurance and low cost and save money. But a lot of times when you do that, you compromise on the coverages. You do compromise on the coverages. You never know how much coverage you have or don't have until you're involved in a car accident. And don't ever think because you live in this bubble, it cannot happen to you. Regardless of, you know, where you live, how much you drive, it can also happen to you too. A car accident, you can have a claim, someone may hit you at no fault of your own, and it could affect your insurance rates, or you could be seriously injured. So don't ever think, well, I have the minimum insurance and that's enough. A lot of times, believe it or not, a lot of times accidents occur within 1 mile radius of your home. Okay? Within 1 mile radius of your home, you could easily have a car accident. That's what statistics, I'm just reading what the statistics show me to inform you, to let you know that when you're driving around with the minimum requirements and, you know, and you eliminate the medical, you eliminate the uninsured motorists. I don't need this and I don't need that because I have health insurance. You know what? You find out right away a lot of times these health insurance companies want to be reimbursed from your auto insurance policy. For more information, Veronica is standing by to take your call. My phone number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Give Veronica a call. She's standing by right now to take your call. We're going to get your name, your phone number, and why you're calling about it. It's about home, auto, and life, or you want a full insurance review. We can take care of that too, at no charge to you, by the way. So you come up to my office. I'm located right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment only. I know a few of you show up without an appointment, but I want to get the time that's needed. So please give me a call at 702-236-2624. Again, 702-236-2624. Veronica is standing by right now to take your call while we're live on the air. She's going to get your name and your phone number, and I'll call you back after the show. We can discuss your insurance, book an appointment, and we can go over all your insurances. You know, my purpose is to make sure you're properly insured. Yes, I'm going to try to save you money on your auto insurance. Yes, I'm going to try to save money on your homeowner's insurance. But my mission is to make sure you have enough coverage. If something comes up, you're covered. Or if you don't want a lot of coverages on your auto, which I do understand a lot of people have these older vehicles and they don't want to cover those older vehicles. I was talking to a gentleman the other day. He had almost 400,000 miles on his car, and he had full coverage on his car. He had comprehensive and collision on the car. And I'm saying, you know, well, your car's not worth that much. I mean, really though. I mean, if you traded your car in, they'll probably just say, man, you need to donate this, 400,000 miles, but it's still rolling. And we're going to get him some insurance, and we saving him money. We saved him close to $1,800 on his auto insurance because he was paying a big premium on his auto insurance policy. Just to let you know, I'm an insurance broker. I represent 25 auto insurance companies. I'm also a life insurance broker. I represent 66 life insurance companies, and I can find the policy for you to make sure you're properly insured. Again, I just want to continue to let you know that in the state of Nevada, the laws has changed for your auto insurance policy. A lot of you will be shopping for new auto insurance, because a minimum of $15,000 per person, $30,000 each accident, has gone up to now at $25,000 per person, $50,000 each accident, $25,000 property damage. Now, for those out there with a minimum of $15,000 per person, $30,000 each accident, you will see an increase in your car insurance. Okay, if you don't see it, if you haven't seen it yet, you will see it on your renewal. Regardless of how long you've been with your company, this is the new state requirement at $25,000 per person, $50,000 each accident, $25,000 property damage. You will be shopping. And keep in mind, with your bodily injury at $25,000 per person, $50,000 each accident, your uninsured motorist is going to move up to that level as well. So a lot of companies is going to match on your uninsured motorist portion of the policy at $25,000 per person, $50,000 each accident on uninsured motorists. For more information, yes, you know what to do. Pick up the phone. Not now, but right now. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. You let Veronica know you're a champion. You want to make a sound decision. Right now is the first of the year. Let's stop kicking the can on the highway and say, well, I'll take care of it later. Something always comes up with everybody. No one is excluded from something coming up. However, a lot of you have been listening to me for many, many years on the air. I've been on the air now for over 3.5 years. And you said, well, I'm going to call him one day. Today is the day. Let's make it happen. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Veronica is going to get your name, phone number, and the reason why you called. Again, the bodily injury, the property damage, all those are going up in the state of Nevada. And you know what? It's long overdue. It's long overdue. With minimums of $15,000, $30,000 on your auto insurance bodily injury portion of the policy. If you're severely injured in a car accident, you don't have much coverage to cover yourself or the people that you injure. You don't have a lot of coverages there. So it's for protection for you. It's protection for you. Your collision, your comprehensive, a lot of people don't understand what those coverages are. Your comprehensive is wind, fire, theft, vandalism, fallen objects on your vehicle. Okay, and also windshield protection. If you have a $500 deductible without any type of glass protection on your auto insurance policy, more than likely you will pay for that windshield. Now, when I offer comprehensive, I try to get the lowest deductible possible, because the difference between a $100 deductible or a $500 deductible is very minimal, extremely minimal. Okay, what lunch might cost for the full year. Okay, when you go out to have lunch and you have one of those $15 lunches, and that's probably the difference for the entire year. So when you break it down, it's a little over $1 a month from the difference of a $100 deductible to $500 deductible in most cases. Now, in your collision portion of your vehicle for your deductible, the collision means that's when your car is hit, or you hit someone or some property. There is a deductible, but sometimes we can get that deductible waived. For more information, yes, yes, we can get that deductible waived. For more information, contact me at 702-236-2624. How do I get the deductible waived? So let's say, for an example, you have $3,500 worth of damage on your vehicle. Let's say you were at fault and you have to pay your deductible. Not necessarily. You could take a cash settlement from the insurance company. So if you have a $3,500 damage to your vehicle, they give you $3,000. They minus that $500 right off the top. They give you a check for $3,000. You go out and get your car repaired. You shop it yourself. You can do that, because the first thing when you walk in an auto body shop, they ask you, are you paying for this or insurance paying for this? You wonder why they ask you that question. They ask you that question because the insurance company is paying for it. Of course, they're going to try to squeeze that additional deductible out of you. For more information, again, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. Give Veronica a call. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. I also want to thank the people that came in last week. Well, I was overwhelmed last week with the phone calls. Thank you so much for the continued support. I also want to thank KCP for allowing this platform for me to come on the air each and every Tuesday to broadcast to you about the importance of having insurance. It's so important to have the proper insurance. A lot of you with homeowners insurance, I see a lot of policies that's underinsured throughout the valley because you're concentrating on what your home the value of your home instead of the coverages. I look at the cost of building, rebuilding your home, and also the cost of labor. What your house is valued at, it really doesn't matter to me. I'm looking at the cost of replacement costs for labor and also the cost for building materials, regardless of the value of your home. We don't look at that, because if we did that, most of you would be underinsured. Again, I'm available to you. Even if you have been with an insurance company for quite some time and you see your rates adjusting all the time because you turn a certain age, especially seniors, when they turn 75 years young, sometimes they see their rates go up because now you're in a different category. You with the 75 and the 85-year-olds are still out there driving. And unfortunately, a lot of them are having accidents more frequently than ever. And a lot of times those are rear-end collisions. So if you're 75 years young and you see your auto insurance rates increasing, please give me a call at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Now, with the hard water that we have and the rains that we had last week, if you have a water claim, a lot of these insurance companies will not cover water damage that came in your house from an outside flood, if that's your case. They do cover, most of them will cover inside water losses. Let's say if you have a washing machine and the water line breaks, that's usually covered on the most insurance policies. However, there are a few companies out there, well-known companies with the name farm on the end of it, that will not cover an inside loss. So if you took a reduction in your homeowner's insurance, right? But if you read the information, they will exclude inside water losses. All right, you have to understand what you're buying. Just don't find out it's this. Oh, I'm saving $50 a month or $200 a year or whatever you're saving between the auto and the home. You must understand the product you're buying. Believe me, when you discount yourself, you discount coverages. And what we do at Your Insurance Connection to make sure you're properly insured, or you fully understand the coverages that you have. So when you walk out of my office, you're going to be a better consumer when it comes to insurance. All your insurance, home, auto, life insurance. And if you are looking to purchase that home, check out my man Greg DeVille on Friday mornings right here at 88.1 from 9 a.m. to 9:30. This brother delivers the messages about how to purchase a house, how to get qualified for a house. He's turning renters into buyers. He has special programs for veterans. Tune in, check him out. The football team is coming here, and all indications say our prices of homes going to go up, the rent is going to go up. So why continue to be a renter when you have an opportunity to purchase a home? Greg DeVille right here on 88.1 from 9 a.m. to 9:30 on Friday mornings. From 9 a.m. to 9:30 right here at KCEP. Check him out. Also, my man Brian Harris on the Black Book. He talks about how to network your business on the Black Book. He keeps you informed. The new businesses. This guy he has his hand on the pulse when it comes to businesses in this community. I didn't know we had that many black businesses in the community, and he's always finding new businesses. So if you want to promote your business, you want to check out Brian Harris on Monday morning. From 10:30 to 11 o'clock, you can promote your business. Let people know what you're doing. Let people know where you are. An easy way to communicate with the community about your business and your products and services right here on 88.1, the home of the People Station. I want to hope everyone had a great MLK Day. Martin Luther King celebration is our celebration. And Martin Luther King had did so much for us, and that's why we are where we are today. And we want to continue to prosper in 2018. We have to start depending more on each other and trust each other more. A lot of times, too, I get people calling me in. First thing they worry about is trust. It's a trust issue. What is that? Yes, I'm an insurance broker. I take no payments in my office. You pay the insurance company. I just connect you with the insurance company. I don't take payments. I don't insure you. The insurance companies insure you. I represent multiple insurance companies, well-known companies, A+ rated companies. So even when you buy car insurance from me, you cannot come into my office and make a car insurance payment. I don't take payments in my office. I'm too busy trying to service you to help you with your insurances. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning in to Your Insurance Connection. The phone number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Yes, I've been an insurance agent for over 20 years. I was born and raised in Las Vegas, and this is my give back to my community to help you better understand your insurances. You know what? Right now, we're going to talk about a little life insurance. I want to dedicate this part of the show to my wife, Denise Marquez. When I talk about life insurance, I truly mean, it can happen to any of us. It's happening to me right now. I'm about to lose my wife probably within the next couple of weeks. Cancer, stage 4 cancer, and it has gotten the best of her. She probably will be admitted in hospice, in care hospice today. I'm a little choked up. Just stay with me. So when I talk about life insurance, it really hits home. It's hitting home right now, and I'm so thankful that we do have a life insurance policy that we purchased back in December of 2000. We increased our insurance back in December of 2000. Never let the policy lapse. Between her and myself, we set each other up. So, when that day came, we don't like to say if I, if. We don't know when that may happen, but I prepared her, she prepared me. But unfortunately, God is, at this point, God is calling her home. Unfortunately, because I will miss her, but she's going to be rejoiced with our ancestors. And when I talk about life insurance and the importance of having life insurance, it's coming from the heart. Because I'm utilizing my life insurance policy that I purchased on my wife back in 2000, December 2000. Now I'm using that life insurance to pay for our final expenses and the continuation of my own journey in life. I'm on a new path now. I don't know what that's going to be like without her after 36 years, but she's being called home. She's having a homecoming pretty soon. Not yet, but the hospice people are coming to take her to hospice, and so she can complete her journey. So when I talk about life insurance, it's so real. I feel the effects. Yesterday I spent a lot of time at the funeral home talking to the people at the funeral home, and my goodness, if you don't have life insurance, pick up the phone and call one of these funeral homes and see what they charge, and it's in the upwards of $20,000 to bury a loved one. I mean, it's amazing what they charge today. It's very difficult for me to understand why they charge so much. But to send your loved ones off at a rate of they charging today is unbelievable. But we have no other choice but to pay it. But I do encourage people, if you have a life insurance policy, continue to pay it. Don't take out a life insurance policy and pay for it for 8, 9, 10 months and let the policy lapse. You just should have wrote a check to the insurance company for $1,000 and just kiss it goodbye, because that's what you're doing. I don't need to practice. When I write you a life insurance policy, I'm thinking you're sincere about having it. You want to get it and keep it. I cannot imagine, having that life insurance policy I purchased on my wife back in December 2000 and let it lapse. I would be feeling some real. I would look at this bill today, and that's what's in front of me right now as I speak. It would be overwhelming. Over $20,000 for her service. That's where we're at right now, about $22,000 for her service. And I don't mind sharing this with you. Because when I talk about life insurance, I'm just not talking about for you. I'm just telling you it's hitting me right now, and she'll have her homecoming pretty soon. But the importance of having life insurance is so important to me. It should also be important to you. Book an appointment. Let's sit down and talk about your life insurance. My number is 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Contact me because without life insurance, the continuation of your own life, the power bill still has to be paid, the mortgage still has to be paid, car insurance still has to be paid, gas, telephone bills, all that continues. So if you're out there with no life insurance and you're just kicking the can, hoping someone else will pick up this responsibility for you, what are you doing to your family? What are you doing to your family? I just cannot imagine not having life insurance at this point in my life. Taking a chance on a lottery ticket or going out gambling and just blowing money for no reason. We all need life insurance. If you don't have life insurance, you need some money in the bank set aside to take care of this final expense. I noticed over the years when I buried my mother back in 2011, that was about a $15,000 funeral. From 2011 to today, it's went up $7,000. Okay, $7,000, and just a simple burial. Nothing over the top. But $22,000. That's a lot of money. So don't get a life insurance policy. Keep it for 6-7 months. Let it lapse. And, say, oh, well, I one of these days I'll pick it up when something came up. No, everything in life comes up. When something happened to you, you don't have no money to pay for your loved ones' final expenses. You can start chipping away at it right now by calling me at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. We can get a life insurance policy for you if you have cancer, you're on dialysis, diabetes. A lot of you get turned down for life insurance because you do have diabetes. I can get you a life insurance policy, whether you're on insulin or the pill. If you have COPD, disease of the lungs, or emphysema, asthma, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, or drug or alcohol abuse, we can get you a life insurance policy. There's many people out there that apply for life insurance by way of mail, and I say this every week to let you know the importance of not buying a policy by way of mail. You're going to pay the most for it, and most of you will not be insured for the first 2 years. Yes, you will not be insured for the first 2 years because they don't know you. They don't know who you are. There's no physical. There's only a few health questions. You fill out those health questions. You mail that card in, and they start deducting the money out of your account right away. Now, if you're smokers, I get very few smokers calling me. Well, what's going on, smokers? Very few smokers calling me. When you're lighting that cigarette up, cigarettes cost almost $7 a pack. So if you can afford to smoke cigarettes, you can afford to have a life insurance policy because you're at high risk smoking every day. No matter how long you've been smoking, maybe nothing's happened to you yet. My wife was not a smoker. Very healthy, conscious, ate well, fed me well, but she wasn't a smoker. But this cancer is a nasty disease. She had it, and it's gonna take her to her next journey in life. And I'll miss her, but this happens. So when I come on the air each week and I talk about life insurance, I mean it. I mean it 100%. If you don't have a life insurance policy, now's the time. Stop kicking the can and said, one of these days I'm going to call him and get a life insurance policy. Now is the time. It's the first of the year. A lot of you tell me, well, I'm going to take care of the first of the year. Right now is the first of the year. Now, right now is the time to act. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Whether you smoke cigarettes or you smoke marijuana, it's okay. I can still get you a life insurance policy. Yes, I can. So I can get you a life insurance policy. Take care of your family. Because when the time of need and one of your family members is going through what I'm going through right now, that's when you really think about life insurance. Oh, I should have got a life insurance policy. I don't know why I waited. I don't know why I procrastinated. Now you're going to really need it, because I'm going to tell you something. It is going to be an eye-opener when you walk into a funeral home and you discuss the opening, the closing, the headstone, the flowers, the casket. I mean, it's down the list is down the line, and they charge you for every single thing. The only thing they really give you in there is the bottled water. You can drink as much bottled water as you want, and tissue is everywhere, because there's a lot of people that are hurting by losing their loved ones, and I feel their pain right now. I really do. I'm humbled by it, but again, I am so appreciative that we acted years ago to increase our life insurance policies, so I can continue my life. And if I would have passed away, she could have continued her life. That was our wishes, or the continuation of our lifestyle, without having to drastically sell a house, just make so many modifications in our lifestyle. When you do purchase a life insurance policy, we do have due dates that you can pick anywhere from the 1st to the 28th of each month. We take a monthly draft directly out of your checking account each month. It's going to be one month's premium. We get the policy started. But the only way we can make this happen, is by you picking up the phone. Because I'm not going to call you. You have to call me at 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Veronica is standing by right now. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Again, we can pick that due date for the money to come out of your account. Let's take care of our families. Let's do it now. Let's not continue to put our family in debt of generation after generation after generation. If you have no life insurance, just think about who's going to pay that $20,000, that $15,000, or that $10,000 bill for you. And don't have the attitude, I don't care, it's their problem. It is your problem too, because you're leaving your legacy behind. That's what they're going to remember you by as a person. Mom, dad worked all their life, and they're gonna leave this $15,000 debt behind on me, that can prevent your child from going to college, buying a new car, getting your car repaired, or going on a vacation. It's going to slow down your financial situation. So 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Life insurance is a gift of love. It really is. It's a gift of love. It's saying that I'm going to be total 100% responsible for my loved ones, whether I'm here or not. It is up to a man's duty and a woman's duty, whether you're here or not, to continue to taking care of your family. I have to give credit for a lot of single mothers out there, because they come see me all the time. Moms out there, just step up to the plate. I have purple files for the ladies and gray file for the guys. Guys, we got to fill some of these gray files up, because the ladies are filling these purple files up. They are stepping up to the plate and taking care of their family and making sure that life insurance is in place. Once you get a policy, keep it. If you have a life insurance policy and you haven't reviewed it for quite some time, it's always good to get an insurance review. Don't ever think you're good, because as you get older, that policy can change. Now, if you have a term policy, your policy will end at a particular time. And now, once that policy ends, it's going to go up every single year on that anniversary, to the point where you can't afford it. I mean, that's what they're designed to do. A term policy fee, it'll show you, it'll continue to a certain age, but the rate is going to go up every year thereafter. A lot of term policies, what we can do with those and convert those into whole life policies or universal life insurance policies, depending on the amount of the life insurance policies. And a lot of times too, when we convert those policies, there's no physical requirement if your policy is convertible. This is why we need a life insurance review. Sit down with me, no cost to you, to have a life insurance review, insurance review. We're going to look at your auto. We're going to look at your homeowners, make sure your homeowners is properly insured. If you're a renter, we can get you some renter's insurance. It's real important to get that renter's insurance policy. Minimum cost for the year on a renter's insurance, and it will discount the auto insurance. It's called a multi-policy discount, or some companies call it the bundle. So we're gonna give you the bundle if we can, but keep in mind, again, this show is dedicated to my wife, Sybil Denise Marquez. She's been suffering for quite some time, and she's going to be on a peaceful journey with God real soon. And again, when I talk about life insurance, I mean it to the heart. If you don't have life insurance, what I'm experiencing right now, I just cannot see why anyone, reasonable, responsible person, would not purchase themselves a life insurance policy, with walking around here driving, with no life insurance, driving nice cars, living in nice homes, but all of a sudden now, you realize I don't have any life insurance. So many good benefits on having a life insurance policy. You build cash value in a life insurance policy. If you need to borrow money, that money could be there for a life insurance. If you need it for an emergency purposes, it builds cash value. The face amount that I offer on my life insurance policies never go down. The premiums never go up. I don't offer those type of policies where the premiums will go up as you get older. Okay, or I don't offer policies that the face amount will reduce. A lot of those policies call them mortgage protection, and a lot of times too, when you buy those mortgage protection policies right after buying a home, as a home mortgage balance decrease, also the face amount of that policy also decreases. For more information, call me. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. My number is 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. We're going to do this again next week. Until then, you guys just keep it crispy.